a reduction in the rate of fortified rice kernels, which are classifiable under 1904, to 5%. As you know, fortified rice kernels are supplied with an intent of they getting passed on to the PDS. So the poor benefit from it, and it was a conscious decision that we bring the price down, the tax down. Next is gene therapy, which is now very critical for life-saving measures taken for very life-threatening diseases, have been totally exempt. LR-SAM system is very important in defense, surface-to-air missile. So in that, we've decided to extend the IGST exemption which are provided to systems, subsystems, equipment, parts, subparts, tools, test equipment, software meant for assembly and manufacture of LR-SAM. All of them have always been exempted, but now the exemption is further extended. It was, I think, in 2019 the exemption was provided. Now it is the exemption continues, so we've extended it. Then there is a reduction in the rate of compensation cess to 0.1% on supplies to merchant exporters, at par with the GST rate on such supplies. So this was a particularly important request which had come from traders and exporters. In order to help exporters, this relief is being provided, otherwise their working capital was getting blocked because they pay it and then claim back. So this is with a clear intent of helping exporters. Next is to exempt IGST imports of all equipment and consumable samples by inspection teams of the International Atomic Energy Agency, the IAEA, subject to specific conditions. Then this is another important step which you can link with the fortified rice that I spoke about, also to help the weaker sections, to extend the concessional 5% GST on input of food preparations that are supplied for food preparations intended for free distribution to economically weaker sections under a government program subject to existing conditions. So this is also an extension of the 5% rate which prevails for food items which go into food preparation that is used for free distribution for the weaker sections. So these are the reduction or exemption or extension of rates.